And here's
Yeah.
two ideas for your audience.
Mm-hmm.
One idea is if you're struggling with being consistent on Twitter,
Mm-hmm.
you should leverage the draft section on Twitter.
Mm-hmm.
Where when I first started Twitter, I
Mm-hmm.
issued this challenge. I have no clue why I did this, but I just want to see if others would participate.
Yeah.
It was called the 10,000 tweets challenge,
Wow.
where you're supposed to build 10,000 tweets in your draft section,
Mm-hmm.
which is not that difficult to do. You're capable of doing it.
Mm-hmm.
So eventually, there was this guy that interviewed me, and
Mm-hmm.
his thread on the 10K tweet challenge ended up going viral. And I
Wow.
started to get a bunch of DMs about, I want in. I'm
Yeah.
like, well, you just do it. There's no getting in.
Yeah.
So they created their own group. They were thinking of all these different ideas to fill up their backlog.
Mm.
But a lot of them weren't successful with 10K, but they had 150. So if
Yeah.
you have 150 tweets, something about you feel powerful. It's like
Right.
someone who has a lot of money.
Mm-hmm.
Others don't know about it, but there's a certain swagger to them. They move
Yes.
with a lot of purpose. So that's idea number one. Try to fill
Mm-hmm.
up your backlog the days that you're bored.
Mm-hmm.
What I do is I'll just get the ideas from point A to point B. My
Mm-hmm.
tweets aren't like in the draft section. It's not
Okay.
organized. There's spelling errors, punctuation
Mm-hmm.
errors, all that.
Yeah.
All I'm trying to do is get the raw ideas out there.
Mm-hmm.
And the days that I'm not feeling creative, I'll
Mm-hmm.
pull a tweet from my backlog.
Mm-hmm.
I'll clean up the spelling errors, and then I'll just publish it. So boom.
Nice.
So that's one idea. The second idea is if your audience members are thinking about building Twitter and YouTube,
Mm-hmm.
they actually can work with each other. A lot of my best YouTube video ideas came
Mm-hmm.
from a tweet that popped off
Wow.
or came from DMs in Twitter. Over time, you'll notice multiple people asking the same question.
Yeah.
Why am I keep running out of breath when I'm speaking? I'm like, multiple people who don't know each other are asking me
Mm-hmm.
the same exact question. What about I make a YouTube video out of it? So
Yeah.
a lot of times, if you use Twitter correctly, you'll get ideas for YouTube.
I like that. I like that. Oh man, yo, you just gave them some gems right there, man. I absolutely love that.